ladies and gentlemen, spectacular out here. I know him personally too. Well, he's not just a neighbor of Edwin and the family in the UK, but he's also the loving neighbor down here in Goa. Well, he's a musician also, and he's very passionate about music, as he said, and of course sports. Well, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as I invite Edwin Marshall to come forward and do the honors of popping the champagne. All smiles. So Edwin, is this your first time? No. How many times? Have you counted? No. Okay, so now your son has joined you to see how you do it, because I think next he's going to be doing the same job. Well, ladies and gentlemen, he has already removed the foil with much grace and poise. He's, what do you say, undressing the bottle? Undressing the bottle, yes, okay. Lloyd, do you think at the first go he's going to do it? Yes? Okay, he's very confident about it, Edwin. How is Amchan Manakare? Wow! And it's actually one of the cameraman. He's originally from Gondali, but he's posted in the parish at Sangay. Well, he's a missionary and he's very passionate about football and music also. Well, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as I invite Father Orlando Lopez, a very close friend of the family, to come forward and raise the toast for Lloyd's 21st birthday. Father?
Thank you. एका तेंपार जायते वर्सां आदीं जेन्ना हांव पिलार आसलो सायकलीन वयतालो घोडा दिसान पिलार खेळपाक तांक लागली म्हणटच कोणागेर भितर सरप कोणागेर भितर सरप उदक पिवपाक एडविनागेर. सो एडविन इज माय far distant friend for the past 35-40 years, and Mary came into existence only when she got married. Right? Okay. I visited them I was in London also. I visited them in Wembley. And Wembley is a famous place for football. Okay. And pretty good out there. And these kids, both Lloyd and Masika, they're very small. Mary asked me, remember one song. I myself forgot which was the song. Okay. In fact, both the names are very famous. I used to sing when I was young. Zulu Zamba Zulu, Lulu Masika. Zulu Zamba Zulu, Lulu Masika. Lulu Masika, Lulu Masika. Kiki Africa. After I tell you, this was a song that I used to sing 40-50 years back. So I'm glad that I met you once again here. Okay? And the Lloyd is another famous name. Famous Lloyd is what? Clive Lloyd, the very famous West Indies cricketer. So both the names are very familiar to the people. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Father. Well, I see here we have Joshua, who's going to do the honors of singing a toast song for Lloyd. Well, he's the boy all the way from Agasai. He's a well-talented musician, and it's a composition that he has done for Lloyd.
Ai gole, tu
We love our mother. And Mr. Thank you. Okay, and then I think mom would like to say something.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming here again. I'm afraid I do not speak the best currently, so bear with me as I speak in English. Try your best to understand, and I'll speak very, very slowly. I am grateful for everyone to be here. I myself I'm not a person to have so much attention. But then again, I am grateful that everyone made time in their day to come to my birthday. I thank you everyone again. I thank you for my family, and I thank you for my God. Again, I thank everyone. Viva!
Okay, well, that was Lloyd from his heart, straight from the heart. Well, now I would like to request everyone to kindly rise as we cheer Lloyd on his 21st birthday. All those who are seated, kindly rise. Marshal Ubira, Huyasa, Tingasarus Rao, Ubira. 3, 2, 1, cheer. Well, bottoms up. Well, I would like to request bottoms up, because we're going to have a dance with Mama and Lloyd, and I want people to come out here to form a circle around them. Okay, he's like, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, so when you give that song, can you have it together? Please stand up. Okay. Come on. The birthday boy is out. Eyes tight up. Oh no, he said. Yes. Oh yes, when you are out. There are some small kids that will come. Can we have you up here? Come, come. Smile. Happiness. Smile. Yes, she.
Sorgito Papa, Jan San, Ye, Ushakra, Ushloy, Jan Sasan, तुझे पैसा उनशाचे तशेंच सगळ्या सृश्टीचेर पडले आनी एक गोष्ट आमची देवाची गोष्ट आमचे भायर कामाक जायना तुमकां ते देवाचे पैसा आज केली भशेन
For those who would like to dance, I would like to request you all to engage in your partners and head towards the dance floor. You need to come up here with a chair. Simply.
Moga tu mo Jesu, morta moga soro, kopar astos tu laguna makamu. Haso mo kele lo goro danta koshe ata soron doria lo don wena moga chotal. Paina no da morta beste pulle, moso tola veraga pulle. Tu paula.
Hey, no. Okay, that was fun. Both the brothers fought for a chair. Okay, so the first person who comes to me with the most number of bangles on the hand. No family members. 15 are there. Anyone else? Mama, auntie is coming. Okay. She will definitely get. Mezun Patel, I'm girls now. There are children sold, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so she wins the prize. I would like to request Lloyd. Auntie, so she gets the prize with the most number of bangles on her hand. Those who aren't married. Come. Lloyd, gang, Roger, Peter, John, Melvin. 1 minute, 22 minutes, last game. While prize is in the mic, I'm going to ask the last spot prize for today. dance with your friends.